Hi, today we're going to help fix disconnecting and reconnecting Wi-Fi. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On your Windows, go to Windows and type View Network Connections, and from there, right-click on the Internet, Properties, and from there, click Configure, go to Power Management, and simply uncheck the following. Click on OK, and if it doesn't work, click on your Internet, click the network that you're connected to, and simply put it into private. And if it still doesn't work, this is the last method. And the last method is to simply search services on your Windows. Look for WLAN autoconfig. Double click on it and make sure that the startup type is automatic. Press apply and OK. And I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.